Are you looking for a gift for a football fan? This could be the product you're looking for. This is the League Frame. Let's take a look. Okay, really excited about this product. It looks awesome. I'm a football fan. I would love this as a gift, or if you're buying for yourself, but as a gift at Christmas, I think this is absolutely brilliant. So I spoke to the guys at League Frame, asked them if they'd send one over, a demo unit to do a review on, and they agreed, and here it is. So really excited. So in this video, we're going to unbox it here on the table, get it set up, and have a look at it. So it's a device that's got a specific purpose, one purpose only, which is showing you information about your football club, which is brilliant. So let's get it out of the box. So just to confirm, it's a 7.5 inch display. So this would fit nicely on maybe a shelf somewhere, maybe on the side of a desk in an office perhaps. This is the device itself. So 7.5 inch kind of iPad mini kind of size, maybe a little bit smaller than that, but you can kind of get an idea of that. So if I compare it to a mobile phone, for example, you know, it's a couple of inches bigger than a mobile phone. So in the box we get the League Frame itself, we get a power cable. So we've got USB type A to micro USB, so it's powered by that. It looks like a nice long cable. I think it's a flat cable. Let's take a look at that first. It is, yeah, super flexible, flat USB cable, so you can put it around corners and guide it through places. Really cool. So let's have a look at the frame itself. Let's have a look at the build quality, see what it's like. Okay, so it's very, very light. So it's an e-paper display, so it's super light. There is like a power PSU unit on the back of there with what looks like a single power button just on the back of there, the red button. And we've got the power which connects in there. And that's it, a super, super simple device. Nice and simply built. It's almost a 3D printed kind of material. So this is a nice hard plastic basically. But it stands up on its own, it's self-standing. The back doesn't come off, it's a secured unit, and it just sits there, so it can sit there on a shelf, for example. We'll pop it in a couple of places and see what it looks like. But let's get some power to it and get it set up. Okay, so I can show you it working. What I will do is I will just power it locally here on the table with a battery pack. So the instructions advise, what you need to do is go to the leagueframe.com website, enter the 8-digit code which is on the back of it, so it's a unique code. I won't show that on camera. I may have already shown that, to be fair. And then basically go through some connection settings on here. So super simple, really intuitive, really easy, just following the guide. Basically navigating to the actual device, connecting it to your Wi-Fi network, and away you go there. So what I'll do is I'll go to the League Frame website, I'll step through that, I'll show it on screen. So there is power to that now. It is actually showing the instructions on the screen as well, which is quite cool. Hopefully you can see that there. Okay, so here we are, we've got the screen recording now. I'll pop that over there somewhere just to show you what's going on. So I've literally gone to the website. It says to set up an account, so I'll go in here, set up a device, sign in with Google. That's brilliant. Well, that's really easy to do then. I'll use my Houston DIY account. Okay, so now it's asking for the 8-digit code on the back, so I'll enter that into here. Okay, so I'm going to give it, so I'm going to call it Houston's League Frame. Refresh rate on there, so obviously it'll refresh at 5, 15 or 60 minutes. So you can change that depending on what you want to do. What else we got? So there we've got different views. So you got the different views on there, obviously 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it mentions here you can use the red button on the back to navigate through those different views. So that's quite cool, nice and simple, just keeping it simple, really easy to use. So you can see on screen there, you've got all the different leagues down to, from an English perspective, down to National League South and North. And then you've got other ones as well, the Southern Premier. And you've got all the major ones there as well, so tons and tons on there. So what I'll do is I'll just leave the 2 views on for now, and we'll save them for now. Okay, now we've done that, the next step on here is to get this connected to the Wi-Fi basically. So I'm gonna go into the Wi-Fi settings on my phone. So hopefully there should be a League Frame Wi-Fi network that's created. There we go. So click on there, and the password is football. So we're now connecting the mobile phone to the Wi-Fi kind of network built into this. So what we're going to do now is we're going to tell this device to connect to the Wi-Fi here in the house, so it knows what Wi-Fi network to connect to. Right, so all we're going to do, we're going to go to the web browser. We'll type over this. We're going to go 192.168.4.1. I'm going to tell it which Wi-Fi network to connect to. Now it does say, obviously here it shows that it's 2.4 gigahertz only, and so I know that one of these specifically, which is that one there, is 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, so what it says is going to reboot now, so this should hopefully connect now to my Wi-Fi. This will. and then it can obviously pull down information regarding football, fixtures, results, etc. directly to the device. Okay, so it's just started rebooting now. So obviously it's an e-paper display, so it's refreshing, which I think is why it's doing the flickering. You might be able to see that on camera. So it is flickering. Okay, all working now, connected to the Wi-Fi, showing the Premier League table there. You can use the red button on the back to navigate through the different views, which is great. Check out different leagues, all the results, fixtures, and the league table. Really cool, really versatile, really customizable. You can see I've got it installed there at the moment. Obviously it needs a wire, so there's a wire running up there, but you can install it somewhere else, maybe hide the cable a little bit better. I don't think it'll stay there. I don't think I'll be allowed to keep it there. But it's there for now, just showing you can obviously use it on a shelf, side table, an office desk, for example, anywhere you want really. Obviously you need that USB power, which can be via a battery pack or into mains, which we've done just there. So overall, great product, really cool. As I mentioned right at the beginning of the video, this would be a great gift for a football fan. A dedicated device showing results, tables, fixtures, all sorts going on at a glance. Thinking about it, I think this would be best on a desk, situated in an office, where someone can just see that what's going on. There probably are a couple of improvements they could potentially make to the device, which I will feed back to the guys there. Maybe if they could build this obviously processor or the Wi-Fi connector or whatever's going on here, maybe into the device, and you could actually wall mount it. It's light enough where you could use some command hooks, to stick it onto a wall, which might work a little bit better. Maybe if it could have a rechargeable battery inside it as well, so even if it only lasted for a week or something like that, if the refresh rate of the screen was turned down to obviously every hour or even more than that, maybe just twice a day that it updates, obviously it'll last for longer. With an e-paper display, I doubt the actual power requirements that high on it. So a couple of things there they could do, maybe on a version 2 for example. The price as well, it is quite a high price for the device. A really cool device, made in England, a lot of care, attention and thoughts go into it. It's not just the device as well, it's the back end that you're investing into, where you can obviously change the view. There's a website dedicated to it for your device, so you can go on and change all the settings on there as well. So tons of pros, couple of cons maybe room for improvement, but I think overall as a gift, this would be awesome. So if you're out there looking for a gift for a football fan in general, this is definitely an option. I will link below in the description to the product where you can grab it and hopefully make a football fan very happy indeed. So hopefully the video's been informative. If you've liked it, if you have, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. If you've got any questions about the device at all, about the setup, anything like that, let me know in the comment section. I will reply to all questions and comments. And if you want to follow the Houston DIY channel for more product reviews, tech reviews, giveaways, and much, much more, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.